Hey guys, what's up? I'm Zach Kukrich. This is unbelievable. It is lightning out. And it is lightning like crazy out there. Just want to give you a heads up, guys. I know it's dark in here. Yeah, like, holy fucking shit. Is it lightning out there? Like nuts. Like, I want to show you right over here, this window. Yeah, look at that. Oh my god, holy shit. It is thunderstorming. This is my first thunderstorm video. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. Holy fucking shit. I hope Taya, babe, if you're watching this thunderstorm, I just want to let you know, just stay safe tonight. Holy shit. Oh, wow. I'm getting some good shots. Oh my god. It is lightning crazy. I can see on my tablet that I'm recording right now. Holy shit. Whoa! Oh, I got that. It's just beautiful, beautiful. You can hear thunder from inside. I love this house. It is lightning crazy. Oh my god, I'm getting some good shots. Oh shit! I can hear a thunder from my window. Guys, this is a good shot right here on my YouTube, on my video. Oh my god. Holy shit. I just got that. Oh my god. Guys, this is my first thunderstorm video. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting some good shots. Thank God we're inside. If we were outside, we'll be screwed. Oh shit, man. This is a pretty good video. It is just fucking crazy. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, the lightning is going nuts, man. Okay. This lightning is fucking nuts. Yeah, I just captured a good shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Just look at all this big lightnings, dude.
Oh my oh shit.
God damn motherfucker. Zach, Becky hurt me.
What happened?
She doesn't want to get with me now. I'm pissed.
Dude.
And she said she wants to be back with me, but she doesn't want to now. And her cousin told her that I'm a little bit busy right now. She's not feeling comfortable around me. She's supposed to be. I was her first guy to date. She should be. God damn. You know,
I'm sorry, bro.
I'm not going to see her tomorrow. Fuck yeah. I'll just cancel that damn Friday thing. Again. Now I gotta find another girl. There's a lot of more girls out there. If they fucking like it, I'll fucking talk to them. If they don't fucking like it.
Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm getting some.
The wind. In the rain.
Oh shit, dude. Nate, I'm getting some good shots.
If we had a fucking tornado, we have to go down the basement. That's the only safest place we have.
Holy shit, man.
It looks like it might be a tornado, but it's not. If it was, the wind will be blowing a lot more harder.
And it's raining now.
Yeah, it is raining. It started raining.
I keep getting good shots from my bedroom.
Whoa.
Oh,
Jeez,
shit, man.
Daylight out. Oh.
And you know, I just captured that thing you were talking about. I captured it. I captured it on my video.
Why fucking bright lightning?
Dude, I think Mother Nature's pissed off.
No, I think God's pissed off. You know, they want you to make you believe.
Oh my!
It's God. He's pissed.
Oh my God. Oh, this is definitely going on YouTube.
That's what I told you. This storm's gonna be wacko.
Oh my God.
I told you. You've been saying what? This is more.
I know. I heard what you said earlier. God is fucking pissed.
Yeah, he is.
Oh my God, Nate! I'm getting good shots.
Yeah, this lightning burning my eyes off. Fine, I'll stare at it right here, like a big old theater, like Steve said from Blue's Clues.
Oh my God.
What thunderstorm like a theater?
Yeah, like a theater.
Like a theater. I love this theater.
Dude,
this lightning's sick.
I know.
In a good way. It's like crazy.
I'm gonna stop at 10 because this is fucking amazing. See, I love this house. This house is fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Dude, Nate, I think I'm getting gold.
We're getting platinum.
Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's even better. Oh shit. It does look like that day.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it does look like day.
Oh my God, there's that car.
Whoa!
Caught that.
That was fucking low. That lightning was fucking low.
That was fucking gold.
Yeah.
I just caught that on my video.
I feel like a little earthquake. Zach, do you know Montana hit an earthquake?
Ooh. Yeah. Oh yeah.
5.8 magnitude.
Oh yeah, I see that.
I think it's one of those oil pump things. Like, you know how oil pumps disturb the fault lines?
Oh my God.
Oh.
This is gold.
Yeah, that's whoa. This is the strongest storm than the last one.
Yeah. Holy shit. Oh.
Reminds me of one in Ohio too.